Hi, kids. Look what I have for you. A new game. A new game. Okay, so what you want to do here, look at this. You can click on this and you can hear. Then you choose. Okay, let's have an example. Let's have an example.
What animal is this?
For example, this question says, if you click here,
what animal is this?
Okay, and then you click here. Is this
a bird,
a bird,
a mouse,
a mouse,
a bat,
or a bat? This is not a bird. This is a, yes, it's a mouse. Okay, continue. You continue, you do number 2.
What is it?
Number 3.
The mouse is.
Number 4, remember, is the mouse happy, sad, or bored? Ok, have fun, divertitevi.